They said it was shallow on the internet. Didn't think it was this shallow. Ew. Yep. That's a cool secret hideout. What if a train comes? Are we safe? I'm scared. No. Well, this is terrifying. I feel like we're on the ocean. But which way? Which way? You think it's going that way? It looks like it might be going this way. Or I should say just that way. So we'll go this way. I did it! There. Oh, this might be easier than I thought. Ow! The only problem is it hurt my gooch. Okay. Wow. No, but yeah, I gotta. Just gonna unclip it. I did it. I want to do it again. Yeah, that for me wasn't that bad.
No,
I think
we don't have the waves or nothing, but I
true.
think those airbags really help.
You think so?
Oh yeah, you get down at all.
I think I weigh nothing and I have decent balance. So, I don't know what happens, but jump viewer. Out of the boat, out of catch. Oh boy.
Yay!